and then advice, which is I thought was my job as an angel. And then I thought, oh, it's not just advice, it's good advice. And then not only good advice, ultimately you want to give them wisdom. We talk all about the entrepreneur. We talk about how innovative they are and how creative they are and how much risk they take, etc. But we forget to tell the story, particularly in Silicon Valley, that unless we had equally innovative and equally insane financial people, Silicon Valley would just be a lot of smart engineers still sitting in their mother's basement.
This was about how to improve the Finnish angel investment ecosystem. So Steve Blank was there to kind of summarize his learnings, and then Risto Siilasmaa, who's a very prolific angel investor here, Ari Korhonen, who's a full-time angel investor, and Timo Soininen from Sulake as an entrepreneur and a CEO of a startup. So they gave their insights on this area, and audience was pretty active. One is to just join the Finnish Business Angel Association or one of the other angel networks, because we need these syndicates. People need to share risk. And I think the government plays a role, Tekes and the other institutions, in the very early stage, just to get things funded, to leverage business angels' money a bit more efficiently.
Basically, get feedback from Steve Blank and one of the most experienced entrepreneurs in Silicon Valley. So it's a unique opportunity for each of these teams here to get feedback from that kind of experience.
Many teams got really good feedback from him, especially around further developing and looking for different ways to monetize their business and to really discover their customer and what their needs are.
The mindset is changing, and it's changing all the time. People are more open to entrepreneurship and great kind of you get know that when we started from like 2 years ago, there was not that much information available about entrepreneurship, and career as an entrepreneur wasn't an option.
That's a great hypothesis. I think so I'm going to answer your question by the short version is I don't know, but I certainly can envision what the goal is that in 5 years, every major corporation has a audio tone or dial tone that's, the same, and that there are hundreds and thousands of people playing it. That's an interesting hypothesis. Is that where you're heading?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. And by the way, I've had that happen. Show up with a perfect solution to what I thought they said, and they go, oh yeah, but there's 38 ahead of you. Now, because you're a good entrepreneur, you'll say, so what's number one? I was lucky enough to sit through a presentation of 8 startups. I would have taken 6 or 7 of them to any VC in Silicon Valley. They were that caliber of companies. And if I just stop there, that's pretty impressive. But there's 2 of them I'm desperately trying to give my money to, because I think they're very exciting companies.
My next goal is to take our company, Blaast, to be very successful. So the next big thing for us is to really prove in the market that people love it, that it will start growing, and we are kind of everything is set for that, and now we just need to make it happen. So it's really exciting times.
I promise conquer the US market.
I'm bring tax.
And bring tax money.
Great, thanks.
Thanks.